Hey friends, Leanne here from healthfulpursuit.com and the author of the Keto Diet Cookbook. And I just can't get enough of these little perfect keto nut butter packets. I keep them in the fridge. They're delicious. They're a perfect blend of macadamia nuts, cashew, coconut, MCT oil, and they're just sippable. Amazing. You just break it open, slurp it up, and you're hitting your fat macro a lot easier on your ketogenic diet. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do.